if you have a question how to set margin in Microsoft Word and how to show up margin line in Microsoft Word. At first open your Microsoft Word. Look, see here no page boundary or page margin. So how we can find? Go to design, here page border, and choose your margin type and press OK. So you can show page margin. If you more page margin, go to page margin border and choose another margin border and press OK. Look, see if you need remove page margin border and page border and no and none and OK, then look finished. So subscribe and like.